What is up guys, Stan this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows key not working on your Windows PC. So first in the search bar, you need to type device manager and then click on this device manager application. From here, you just need to click on keyboards, and after that, when you click on keyboards, here you will see your keyboard. Click on this and then you will see the drivers option. But if you can't see this, you will see the option to update driver when you right click on it, and after that click on search automatically for drivers, and then it will automatically search for the drivers that you need to update, and then just simply click on update, and then your drivers of your keyboard will be updated for your PC. And after that, if the problem still persists, you just need to press the function, which is the FN key and the Windows key together, which is function plus Windows. So that might do the working, but if it still doesn't work, you just need to open the settings. And after opening the settings, on the left side, you need to click on accessibility. And from here, you need to click on keyboard. And after clicking on keyboard, make sure that this filter keys has been turned off. And after that, your Windows keys will be unlocked and the issue will be fixed. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.